Hello guys, this is Mayank Chawda with Team Micro here. If you are into any kind of electronics mass production or if you are into any R&D system for product design development, then this video is for you. We are a customized PCBA test fixer manufacturing company, and if you are using testing manual process, then it is not going to be a reliable. It is not going to be a proper test solutions, or it will take lots of time and consuming lots of skillful workers' time. So this kind of PCBA or product test fixer is very utilized and commonly utilized in mass productions. So if you are not using this kind of fixers and start using this fixer, these are going to be a reliable, repeatable, and it will handle error-free testings for any kind of PCBA as well as the product testings. So let's start today's video and give you a very brief about this kind of test fixers. So these are parallel stroke systems where you are using a parallel stroke mechanism. This whole system structure and mechanism is designed from Microbe side. We have in-house electrical, electronics, mechanical, and software development team sitting under a one roof and providing the best out of the best PCBA as well as end-of-line products and test solutions in India as well as out of India. So if you have any such kind of requirement, you can just contact Microbe. We'll get in touch with you and give you a best solutions for your product or PCBA. So this is a parallel stroke mechanism. Here you can see a rotary mechanism with the parallel stroke. So when these are the three models, like this is a miniature model, this is a medium model, and this is a large model where all the electronics can come inside the fixer. So this box structure is heavy. Box structure is having a good space where you can put your electronics mechanism to test the particular PCBA. So user just need to put PCBA here. You can see a bed of nail here. The accuracy level you can see. We now use machine setup and all the required equipments to do this kind of to manufacture this kind of structure. These are the bed of nails. This is a very complex system. To manufacture a miniature test fixer is also very complex. You can see a top side pogo pin as well as bottom side pogo pin. So when user put a PCBA here, they just need to close the structure. You can see this rotary mechanism, right? This is a rotation here. After that rotation, a 22 mm of parallel stroke will be there. You can see a parallel stroke. So all the pressure distributed evenly on PCBA, so there won't be a rotary stress on PCB, and PCB will not bend. So this kind of structure is very utilized. So once we put the PCB here, user just need to close all the test point connections from top and bottom side of PCBA can be extracted here, and it will go inside the test system electronic mechanism, and automatically test can be happen. So this is one fixer which we are going to send out of India, and this kind of connectors we utilize for the connectivity of the external systems also. So this is a very useful test system, and in a very less time PCBA can be tested. So when it comes to a medium level system, you can see a mechanism here. This is a rotary mechanism, and with that, after rotary, a parallel stroke will be there. So evenly pressure will be distributed on PCBA each and every points. You can also see a bed of nail here. See, this is a bed of nail. This is a perfectly aligned bed of nail with the ESD SAF material. This is a top plate where the pogo pins will come out from the bed of nail. These studs will come on to the points where PCB space will be there. So evenly pressure can be distributed, and you can test your PCB easy. So this is a very easy system, and in mass production, to test any PCBA manually, it will generate a lots of error. There won't be a repeatability, and you need a skillful person. So you can any unskilled person can sit and put the PCB here, and you can test that PCBA easily. Also with that, you can see here one switch probe is there. So when we put the PCB here, the switch probe is going to be pressed. So internal electronic system will come to know that the PCB is there and this lead is closed. So internal electronics will start actuating and start the testing of that PCBA. So this kind of PCBA testing fixes Micro is manufacturing. You can see this bed of nail also. So very accurate bed of nail we are manufacturing in India, and we have this kind of machine setup here. This is a very easy lead closing system. So this kind of structures Microbe is providing with the electrical, electronics and software development. So if you need this kind of PCB testers, Microbe is there. You can just contact Microbe. We can provide you best out of the best solutions for your testing parameters. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you very much.